So in order to continually allow traffic to run up and down St Kilda Road during our construction, we had to build the box in two parts, the north box and the south box. The north box is the one right behind me. It's what the acoustic set sits over. And inside the north box is where we've done all of our tunnelling operations, both out to South Yarra and also to the CBD. The northern part, we were able to get in early and excavate it all the way to the bottom. That allowed us to build the TBMs and launch them. They headed out to South Yarra. Once they finished those tunnel drives, we pulled them back through. We rebuilt them inside the shed behind me, and then we tunnelled off towards the city. The southern part of the station had to be left until after tunnelling was done, mainly due to the fact that the road and the tram network on top had to be continually operating right the way through the works. What this meant was that the two TBMs actually tunnelled all the way through the southern part of the station out towards South Yarra. This has created what we refer to here as the sacrificial tunnel. So it's called a sacrificial tunnel because we had to come back and remove it. We came in over the top of the two tunnels that we built previously. We dug down, we exposed the top of them, or we call it the crown. We then used some specific machinery with some very long arms and some hammering equipment on it. They broke through the top, opened up those two tunnels. Once we created that space for us to get in and start excavation, we then lowered some larger machinery down into the hole, and then from there, off they've gone down into the bottom of the station. So the demolition of the tunnel and also the two TBMs heading off towards the city has allowed the station construction to really ramp up. Overall, the whole entire station is about 300 metres long. The sacrificial tunnel portion of that is about 165 metres. It goes right through the south box. So once we've demolished the two tunnels, that allows us to essentially open up the whole entire length of that 300 metre station. It's meant that we've been able to continue building the full station, so the majority of the walls, the base slab, all of the future levels and the platform area to which the people will be using, we've started building a lot of the concourse level. This is where you'll buy your ticket, you go through your gate line, and then you'll go down to the platform. It might seem strange to build a tunnel and then demolish it. However, it's meant that we've been able to undertake our tunnelling works from one consolidated smaller footprint. We've been able to do predominantly all of our excavation and demolition below ground, which means that people haven't been able to see or hear or be exposed to it. So all in all, it's been a much more efficient methodology and much more beneficial for the surrounding community.